Give me your goodbye, Alffy Rev.
It's now 3 a.m. and I'm wide awake. I remember the smiling hazel eyes of you. Now inside of my head I can get it right. Really I'm so dumb and I did you wrong. Stop calling me, you'll never change my mind. Just tell me your goodbye.